So if you guys remember, I do want to run the JDM fog lights on my STI. I am currently in the market for some JDM fog light bezels. So if you guys know of anyone selling those or where I can find them, I'm definitely trying to get those very soon. The car is getting painted, so I want to get those painted along with the car. The fog lights I'm not too worried about, those can come later. I just want to make sure everything gets painted all together.
I want to expose Danny and Free Call right now. They kissed in the 3rd grade. It is official. Dude, let's go to fucking Home Depot. I finally paint matched my flares.
I know a lot of you guys are excited to see this car finally painted. I know it's been like this for so long, and you know, I'm even like over it. I'm done seeing the car like this, so I'm excited to get it painted. We also have a bunch of suspension mods that are going to be coming pretty soon here. So I was recommended a bunch of stuff for having the car lowered, and since you guys know I'm big on suspension, I'm definitely going to do that. Some of those things include a bunch of white line parts. So we're going to be doing white line bushings for the new power steering rack, and then we're going to be doing white line anti-lift kit, also a white line front roll center adjustment kit. So pretty excited for all those parts. I'm excited to see how this car really handles now that I'm getting the suspension issues fixed. When are you going to lower your monster truck?
Next year.
Hey guys, in the comments down below, what do you guys think Wombo should get? Coilovers or a downpipe? Comment down below. What's up, villains?
What's up?
Catch him. As you guys know, Josh and I started Subi Troops about 2 years ago, and this whole YouTube thing, it's been something that we didn't really expect, but it's happening. The amount of growth that we have gotten within the last 2 months and the amount of support that we've had from you guys has been absolutely insane, and it is like through the roof, mind-blowing.
It's been a crazy ride, but we are super excited to tell you guys. Danny, tell them.
We're about to hit 30,000 subscribers, and we are super proud to announce that Subi Troops is finally dropping their own merch.
Yes! We are super excited. We're all gonna be designing our own style, our own shirts. We got a ton of ideas coming in for you guys, so I hope you guys are excited as much as we are. We got our website, we're making phone calls for you guys. We're gonna make this happen.
Like Josh said, we have every single person in Subi Troops creating their own design. So every single shirt, every single sweater, everything that we come up with is gonna be designed by one specific person in Subi Troops. So
I'm gonna design like my own style, my own design on my shirt. Danny's gonna have his own style on his shirts.
Ongo and Diego, same thing.
So yeah, so we got a ton of stuff coming out.
We have shirts, we're gonna have sweaters, we're gonna have banners, stickers, anything that you guys want, we're gonna have it. So with that being said, we also want your guys' input. You guys are great at giving us different ideas. So whatever you guys want to see, we will deliver. So if there's anything specific that you guys want, we will get it done for you guys. I know it's been a super slow process with like the banners and shirts and all that. You guys have been asking a lot on Instagram. We're gonna get that done as soon as possible. This is all new to us, so we don't really know anything. We're coming into something that we've never done before. So
yeah,
if you guys are patient with us, I guarantee you it's all gonna pay off. Guys, this is honestly insane. The fact that we're doing this now is absolutely mind-blowing. This is something that we dreamed of so long ago, and it's finally happening. So this obviously couldn't be done without you guys, so thank you guys so much for the continuous support that you guys give us, motivation that we get from all the positive people on this channel. Thank you guys so much. This is only gonna get bigger and better from here on out. So guys, I know it is kind of a short vlog today. This daily vlog thing is honestly a lot of fun, but it is very difficult to get videos out every single day. So we apologize for the days where there are short videos. It is getting kind of dark out here, so we're gonna go ahead and end the vlog today. I will catch you guys tomorrow morning, super early, heading down to a super cool meet tomorrow with Ruben and Javier. So excited to see what kind of cars I see out there. But anyways guys, we will catch you tomorrow. Peace out.
That's it, friend?